In this video, I have some PR from Rosalind. They had asked me to pick out a kit and of course I had to go for this one. This is the glitter collection and there are 10 of these. This also has the perfect colors for this time of year, the Christmas season, the New Year, etc. So I decided to go with this one. For the swatch part of this video, I'm not going to show the swatching for every single one. I'm just going to show it for the first color that I show, and then for the rest of it, I'm just going to show you the name of the color and then show you one coat of that color, and then I'll show them all side by side with 2 coats. I did record me swatching all of them, but I ended up just kind of scrapping that footage because it took 4 minutes just to get through the 10 colors. I don't know why it took so long, but I was like, how am I going to entertain these people for 4 minutes straight? Like, I ain't got no stories, I don't have anything to tell them. And I'm super happy with these polishes. I don't have anything bad to say about them. The only thing I will say is that some are thicker than others, but with the lighter ones, you can still work with them. Also, the reason that I might not be so chatty in this video or the next one, maybe the one after that, is that I am super burnt out, like to a crisp. But I might just have to get into that in a different video that isn't a PR video, or I could speak about it when I'm doing the set a little bit later in this video. I'm not sure, I might just do it in a different video. But on that note, I'll be back when I'm showing all of these swatches. These are all of the swatches side by side with 2 coats, and I top coated them also, and they look so fantastic. The white background wasn't doing them any justice, so I changed it to a black one. I couldn't pick a favorite, but I'm gonna say it's either the purple or the dark blue. For this set, I decided to use the gold, which is a huge change of pace considering maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago I was so against doing gold nails, but I've taken a liking to it since my gold nail test video. I wasn't sure how this one was gonna look on me, but I decided to just try it out anyway, and I do really like it. It is a bit yellow toned, but it actually worked out pretty well, and I did like it against my skin tone. When I was taking pictures for this set, it seemed almost that the gold was reflective, so I hit it with my flash and it didn't reflect. However, the shine of this glitter polish is out of this world, and I'm not exaggerating. I took some shots on my iPhone with low exposure with the flash on, and the shine looks even crazier there, like good crazy. I'm gonna post it on Instagram so you can see it. I was gonna put it at the end of this video, but laziness plus burnt out equals I'm not gonna do it. So I might just post a short of it on here so that those of you that don't have Instagram can see it too. I painted my pointer and my pinky with that gold, and the 2 fingers in between that I used Madame Glam's Beantown. This is the nude for me. I'm not going to use anything else ever except from Beantown. And speaking of, I should probably order more of that before it's sold out. And I actually have suspicions that it's sold out because when that collection dropped, it sold out pretty quickly. Okay, so I literally went to Google whether they had Beantown in stock, and why am I seeing this? Hold on, I'm gonna have to. I'm laughing so much from like ear to ear. Hold on, I don't even know if I'm allowed to show you this, but I'm just going to do it anyway because it's on the website. That's my whole finger, and if you can't see it, I'm going to put it up even bigger. That's my whole finger under Beantown, and it's crazy because I literally just said Beantown is my nude, and like my finger is up there. But that is awesome. I don't even know if I'm allowed to speak on this, but you didn't hear a thing. We all just discovered this at the exact same time. We all just so happened to be, you know, searching Beantown and we noticed Phyllis's finger, but that is fantastic. Anyways, let me contain my excitement. To get back into the nail set, I used these 2 stickers that I got from Shein. I'll put the link of them in the description. For the middle finger, I just used a few of those stickers and stuck them on randomly. And for my ring finger, I drew a line using that gold. After I painted on the line, I top coated that nail and the other nails that needed to be top coated. For the ring finger, I was gonna do the ribbon design, but I decided to use some of my charms because I realized that I had a whole bunch of charms that I got for Christmas on Shein, and these gold ones stuck out to me, so I decided to use those. I applied McCart's rhinestone glue to the back of the charm and I stuck it on off camera. I tried to get it as straight as possible so I didn't film it, but that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you to Rosalind for sending me this, and if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.